It is a personality which speaks in your speech in your tongue. So today's program has given us, to me, has given us the best part is how to control your control dramas, which everybody in every aspect of life, be it parenting or your business or your getting your work done in some offices, you have to do not many control dramas. So the best part is, can we do, or are we sure we're doing the things done without the control drama? So that is the best part of today's program to me. Thank you.
गुड मॉर्निंग, मेरा नाम विशाल बख्शी है। मैंने भी अक्टूबर 2012 में ये कोर्स किया और आज मैं आप सबके सामने बोल पा रहा हूँ, बातें कर पा रहा हूँ, तो ये इस कोर्स की मेहरबानी है। इससे पहले सबके सामने आते मेरी टांगने कांपती सी हो जाती थी, लेकिन आज इतने दिन बाद फिर से आसिफ को सुन के बड़ा अच्छा लगा और आज भी सेम एनर्जी, सेम एंथुसियाज्म और समझाने की, सिखाने की वही इच्छा जो उस टाइम थी, वही
एहसास कराना। Thank you very much. Vandana to come in. She has been one of my oldest friends, and Vandana, come forward, share one or two words, because without giving a floor to you, at least to address one or two words, I won't feel happy today. And thank you very much for coming. If anyone has helped me to consolidate my training here, this lady has been my very close friend, and role model for me.
Good morning, everyone. It was way back in 1995. I came across tough track courses, and I did the full 12-week course, and later 2 times I did the course again with Oshit. I don't have enough words to express what I gained out of it, but I can say in 2 sentences that it was a life-changing program, and sometimes in your life, some dust gathers onto your inner personality. And it was that time when Oshit's Tough Track came into my life, and that program really helped me to cleanse that dust. And I was in the process of discovering myself, and still I am in that process, and he is the one who pushed me into this process. Thank you, Oshit.
The floor is wide open. If anyone wants to share, please come forward and share today's evening and empower other people. Absolutely open for.
Well, here I would just like to add, the best thing I liked about the program was this Vikashalaya, and I'm mentioning it because I truly believe it's required. And the best thing I took out from this session was Vikashalaya. Actually, it's truly required.
Are you mentioning it there?
Yes, I'm mentioning it there.
That is my ultimate dream. I want to set this role model, a model school in Shanti.
We have personally experienced it, and I truly believe in this.
Absolutely. Thank you very much. Anyone else who would like to say their Ashik Bacham? Please come forward and share a few words. Oh yes, please, Harvinder. Please do come in. You also come in. Please share.
Good morning, everybody. I have just one thing in my mind. What I have learned from Ashit is, if you have any hidden qualities and you are not aware of that, Ashit is one. He can help you take out that hidden qualities from you. So you can work more with more confidence, and you know better what are the hidden qualities within you, so that around people around you can come to know that this was the real quality within you. Thank you.
Thank you. Come Supreet. Oh, lovely to see you after ages, man.
Thanks a ton, Ashit. Thank you.
Thanks. Now I got to stand here to hug you, man. Lovely meeting you. Cheers.
Yeah, good evening, all of you. I'm also a Tough Track graduate, and it was a marvelous course at that time. I was in a very problematic phase of my life.
Mention your name.
Rahul Joshi. So I think there were 30 odd guys who started this course, and hardly 8 or 10 people cleared it. So this course basically brings out the best in you. So whosoever I would request because I have gone through that process. The same that I think so. I don't remember his name. He was sharing that he couldn't talk. So I was the same guy who was used to really get scared. So it was like it was not possible for me. So it's like I from being a scared Indian or maybe a seized Indian, I became a sports car. And it happened both in career-wise as well as personally. So I would request everybody that you do at least the UXL should be the basic thing which you should do. And rest, I think so, it will take you places. I mean, you will be amazed after once you realize what you've done. So thanks to Asif. Thanks.
Well, guys, I'm Supreet. I got in touch with Oshit way back in 1995. Bandra happens to be my batchmate. Till then, there was only one thing in my mind, and everything used to be a problem. But now, there's nothing like that word in my dictionary. We, as always, say it's a challenge, and we believe in taking the problems head on. There was a time when I was all by myself, hardly any friends, with no energy. Today, ever since we did that program, I can say about myself, I have a different kind of energy. And I'm so happy that Oshit is back in the town, and many of you would get a chance to energize yourself. And don't miss this once in a lifetime opportunity. Grab this with both the hands. Thanks so much. Thank you.
Good morning, friends. My name is Ravikant Yadav. In fact, I was the youngest, exilier from the batch in 2013. And in the class itself, I was the old guy. I was very hesitant to, come out. And because of my background working in the government, I never used to, address meetings, with people. But the course, the enthusiasm, the energy, the charge that we got in this very hall, that was a blessing that happened in my life. And in fact, after clearing this course, I've been constantly in touch with Oshit. He is a blessing in my life. He has been a guiding factor. He's been the lighthouse. And I'm emotionally, I never, listen to him through my ears. I always, hear him through his eyes, through his heart. I always feel his words. And, that is the energy, that is the confidence that, I'm standing in front of you and talking to you. Believe me, I've changed my life when I, found Oshit in my life. I'm so grateful and thankful to him. Thank you so much.
Whoever wants, it's your floor. We have some time. Utilize the time.
Good morning, friends. Friends, my name is Kamlesh Bhatt, and way back in 1998, I did my 14 session course with Oshit. I have done many more courses, even with people like Shiv Khera and things like that. But one thing which sticks in my life is Oshit's course, Oshit's enthusiasm, Oshit's personality. Everything is, excellent about him. But what I am really grateful to Oshit about is, there was a chance to do a FARQ course, FARQ. I'm sure that Oshit must be doing these days also. And I recommended my wife, Kanchan, to, she had never attended any of these courses. It was just a 2-day seminar, whatever you may call it, at Sunbeam Hotel in Chandigarh. And I coaxed her a lot, and she just joined these 2 days of FARQ. And when she came out, before that she was telling me, what is the use and things like that, I don't want to go and so on and so forth. But when she came out, I found that she was a completely transformed person. And even a greater fan than me is my wife, Oshit. And just 2 days of FARQ course can do so much and bring so much of transformation and positive change, positive energy into your life. Whenever we discuss at home, it's very difficult to meet him. He is a very busy man. We get busy in our own ways. But we have very high appreciation for everything that you have done to us through your courses and through your motivational talks. Even by merely hearing you on your videos and things like, we are highly enthusiastic. And thank you very, very much, Oshit, for great changes in our lives. And we continue to benefit from whatever you keep on telling us, sharing your insights. and so on and so forth. Many, many thanks to you once again.
गुड मॉर्निंग, मेरा नाम अंजलि अग्रवाल है। मैं एक पेंटर हूँ और प्रोफेसर हूँ उसी फील्ड में। 99 में मुझे ये कोर्स करने का मौका मिला था। लीडरशिप कोर्स जो इनका मेन कोर्स है वो मैंने किया था 3 महीने का, और उसके बाद वो सिलसिला जारी रहा क्योंकि उस कोर्स ने मेरे अंदर इतने ज़्यादा चेंजेस लाए। जैसे जैसे साल बढ़ते गए धीरे धीरे मैंने बाकी जितने कोर्सेज थे इनके वो किए एंड इनके साथ काम भी किया एज आर्ट डायरेक्टर फॉर 6 years। टाइम के बढ़ने के साथ साथ मेरे अपने रोल्स भी डिफरेंट होते गए, फ्रॉम अ डॉटर, फ्रॉम अ सिस्टर टू फ्रॉम अ स्टूडेंट टू अ टीचर, देन वाइफ, देन फ्रेंड, देन नाउ अ मदर। और हर एक जोन में एक रोल मॉडल बनने का जो तरीका है, जो ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन है, वो मुझे इस कोर्सेज से आई। एंड टुडे ऑल्सो, आज जितने कोर्सेज करती हूँ हर बार कुछ नई लर्निंग लेके जाती हूँ। And today also, even after so many years and after doing so many courses, today also I'm going back with the learning as a mother. So this is the beautiful thing about this course. Thank you so much.
Hello friends, my name is Ashwini Sachdev. I did this training in the 3rd batch, and then I reviewed this training again with the Vandana's batch also, and it was a great experience for me. There are a lot of changes in my life. When I did this course, I used to work with Government of Haryana, but I didn't like the job. The similar same year I quit the job, I resigned, 1994. And then there was a new journey. I did some business, then I worked with a research center here in Chandigarh Tourism Research Center. And 1999 I was invited by Purdue University. I went to US and I stayed there for about 10 years. And for the training which I got from Ashin, and we had a study circle. We used to read a lot of good books, and that journey started from there on, and it is still on, and I'm doing great, and I'm enjoying the courses. I didn't get a lot of chances to take further courses like UXL and other one. I would like to do them and still move further. And one more thing, in the year 1994 or 95, we started a newsletter, Mind Positive, with Ashok is still here, Ashok Bansal, and we had Dr. Ajay Mittal was there, and we did that. And that didn't work. I would like to start that again. This printing was my passion. I used to do that. So I'm trying to connect this positive frequency with the positive people. So very soon I'll be doing that, and we're looking for great ideas with Ashit and do some positive, increase the positivity in the world. Thank you.
हेलो फ्रेंड्स, मेरा नाम संदीप शर्मा है और मैं फर्स्ट टाइम मिस्टर आशिक से मिल रहा हूँ, और वो भी बतौर मिस्टर तेजेंद्र जी की मेहरबानी से। एक्चुअली फ्रेंड्स, आई डिड वर्क एज ए कंसल्टेंट ट्रेनर इन ICSE Prudential. After that, I joined ICICI Bank and spent 6 years in the bank. I thought I run my own business, and so today I'm at a financial consultant. बट जब मुझे मिस्टर तेजेंद्र ने बताया मिस्टर आशीष के बारे में, एक्चुअली मैं एक मोटिवेशनल ट्रेनर बनना चाहता हूँ, और उसके लिए मैं एफर्ट्स भी कर रहा हूँ और लॉट ऑफ नॉलेज गेन कर रहा हूँ जगह जगह से। और उसके लिए जैसे ही मुझे आशीष जी के बारे में पता लगा, देन मैंने इनको यूट्यूब पे सर्च किया और पहले सुना, और सुनने के बाद आज मैं यहाँ पे हूँ विद माई ब्यूटीफुल वाइफ। एंड जैसे ही मैंने यहाँ पे आने का रीज़न हुआ, वो कैसे हुआ कि मैं यहाँ पे जैसे स्टार्ट हुआ 130 किलोमीटर दूर से आया हूँ, और जैसे वहाँ से शुरू हुए हम लोग, तो तब से बारिश पड़ रही थी, और यहाँ तक पहुँचे तब से भी बारिश पड़ रही है। और इसमें मैं पॉजिटिव एनर्जी सोचता हूँ कि गॉड भी मेहरबान है कि मैं किसी अच्छे ट्रैक पे हूँ, इसलिए पूरा चंडीगढ़ एनर्जी से लॉट ऑफ हो रहा है, डॉट हो रहा है। तो ये एनर्जी मुझे लगता है कि मेरे लिए, मेरे प्लेटफॉर्म के लिए आने वाले टाइम में बहुत वैल्यूएबल रहेगी, क्योंकि मेरे मदर एंड फादर बहुत पॉजिटिव नेचर के थे, और वो ऑलवेज कहते थे कि बेटा यू कैन डू इट, तुझे जो करना है वो कर, यू कैन डू इट, बट करना वो जो लोगों, जिसमें लोगों का भी बेनिफिट हो। इसीलिए मैंने अपना जॉब छोड़ के कंट्रीब्यूशन स्टार्ट किया जिसमें मैं लोगों की लाइफ में कंट्रीब्यूट कर पाऊँ, चाहे वो पॉजिटिव एनर्जी के लिए हो, चाहे वो उनकी लाइफ को सक्सेसफुल बनाने के लिए हो। देन आई थैंकफुल टू मिस्टर औशद सर कि मैं आपको प्रॉमिस करता हूँ कि आने वाले टाइम में भी मिस्टर औशद सर आने वाले टाइम में मैं आपके साथ जुड़ के रहूँगा। एंड थैंक यू सो मच सर, थैंक यू।
I thought of hearing Brigadier Banerjee.
Friends, as you just heard, my name is Brigadier Banerjee, but I speak in Hindi. And the reason is because what I want to tell you is in Hindi. Once, Emperor Shah Jahan, the great builder king, उसने दरबार लिया करते थे और उस दरबार में वो कहते थे कि जिसको कुछ कहना है वो खड़े होके बोले। एक बहुत कांपता हुआ आदमी उधर आया, गवर्नर था, और उसने आके कहा, बादशाह सलामत जहाँपना, अगर मेरा आप सिर न काट दें तो मैं कुछ आपसे कहना चाहता हूँ। उसने कहा, जाओ मोहलत है, कुछ नहीं आपका बिगड़ेगा। उसने कहा, मैं आपसे ये पूछना चाहता हूँ कि आप किस वजह से, किस फिलॉसफी से हर जगह आप इमारत बनाते हैं। आप जानते हैं शाहजहां ने ताजमहल, लाल किला, फतेहपुर सीकरी और बहुत सी इमारतें बनाई। तो उसने कहा, शहंशाह थोड़ा रुक गया और सोच के बोला, सुनो साथी, मेरी फिलॉसफी है, औशित किधर है? आपके लिए है, लेकिन जरा और तरीके से बता रहा हूं। मेरी फिलॉसफी है, जहां तक जगह पाइए इमारत बनाते चले जाइए। और ये फिलॉसफी शायद औशित ने ले ली है। जहां भी जाते हैं इस ताकत और कुव्वत और जोश से बोलते हैं कि एक और शेर याद आता है, दुनिया में होश और जोश ही नहीं काफी साथियों, जिस्म का खून भी चाहिए कुछ असर के लिए। ये देखिए मिसाल।
I have to allow everybody to leave before 7, so we will not have more. Please, if you wanted to come, Tanveer, please come forward. He is one of our youngsters aspiring to.
Good morning, everyone. I had the opportunity to pursue this course with Oshit in 2006. I'd like to just narrate a small story to exactly what I want to say about Oshit. Through a small story which I would like to share with you. There was a carpenter who used to build beautiful houses for a contractor. Now this man, this carpenter was growing old, so he wanted to retire and lead a leisurely life with his family. So he went to the contractor and asked, "Sir, I would like to retire." Now the contractor was sad on his good worker go. However, he still said, "Okay, you leave, just do me a favor. Build one last house for me." The carpenter agreed and started working on his last assignment. However, his heart was not into his work. He has lost the zeal to work. and he built this house half-heartedly. He went to the contractor and said, "I built the house, come and have the inspection." The contractor went to the house, he inspected, and he said, "Good." And he handed over the keys of the house to the carpenter and said, "This is your house. This is my gift to you." The carpenter was shocked. If he had only known that he was building his own house, he would have done things so differently. However, he had no option. He had no option than to live in the same house. Ladies and gentlemen, this is exactly what I want to say, that we do things with least interest because we are not involved in it, we don't like it, and we give our least efforts to this situation, and later we put ourselves into a situation just the way the carpenter put himself. Oshit's course, I would just like to put it in one word. Oshit's course have taught me to do my work with enthusiasm. If we could only do things with enthusiasm, I am sure we all want success, the success will be after you. But how? Is it really possible for us to do everything with enthusiasm? Is it possible? That's what you need Oshit for. Thank you so much.
कुछ गाड़ियाँ सेंटर आयल में है, 3-4 गाड़ियाँ जो सेंटर आयल में है, वो प्लीज वो पहले गाड़ियाँ निकाल दें.
All right, good night everybody. I'm glad to have my last affection for you all.